Sir, I want to make a very small and a very specific point. Shri Professor Saugata Rai at length has talked about it, so I won't repeat those points. But sir, the state that I represent, Maharashtra, is going through one of its worst droughts this year. The Chief Minister and the entire team has been following up endlessly also with the government. The central government has sent their several teams. But sir, the situation still stays very grim, very critical. And I take this opportunity and request the Honorable Finance Minister to address the issues that Maharashtra is facing in this drought. Sir, suicide is something which is a national shame. It's not about your government or our government. Even one farmer's suicide is a national shame for us. So we are trying our best to recover from that. But this year, what has happened in Maharashtra, in belts, especially from the Marathwada region, sir, what Professor Roy said is true. If you go to Latur, if you go to Beed, the water is so low that in 15 days only once water is given. The Rabi crop and the Kharif crop. The Honorable Food Minister is also here. We were going to have a discussion on food prices as well. Food inflation is very high and Maharashtra is going through one of its worst crises. So I take this opportunity to request, because he has really considered a lot of earlier what he had said no to. He's been very kind and generous to the Women and Child Ministry. A lot of malnutrition issues which we have flagged, sir, has increased the budget. So I take this opportunity that he has given a lot of money for irrigation. Sir, Maharashtra needs that help. I urge you to help, because this is the first time in history it has happened that people from Delhi came to check the drought issues, and farmers have driven all these people away. And a lot of honorable ministers in Maharashtra are telling us that they cannot give us any money now. The money will only come in January. So if we wait for January to come, they were committing to money in October. In October they said the funds hadn't come, became November. And the farmers' suicides are really going up. It's a very, very alarming situation. It's not about your party versus us, but people in Maharashtra genuinely need the help. I take this opportunity to ask the Honorable Finance Minister to step in and help my state, who really needs the step as much as Chennai does, sir. Thank you very much.
Sri Arun Kumar, only 2-3 minutes, please, very briefly.
एक ऑफिसर जो दिल्ली सरकार में है, उनके खिलाफ सीबीआई कार्रवाई करती है तो सीबीआई की जय जय करते हैं, और जब उनके सेक्रेटरी के खिलाफ सीबीआई कार्रवाई करती है तो सीबीआई की हाय हाय करते हैं।